share mo sila?
6 and 1 child.
Lalabas na ba?
Tignan muna natin, ha? Tignan muna.
Kuko na naman na pagkausap para... Hindi na bang problema? Ano? Basta mga... Is there an entrance here? You can take one boat, 1,000 for all the people.
Ano ito yung elephant na...
Elephant.
Yan yung elephant. Sakto lang.
Hello, sawadika.
Sawadika.
Okay, sit down, please.
Paliwanag lang. Basta sa ngayon yung commitment natin.
You come together, how many people?
6 adults.
Adults and 1 child. About 7 people. Same rate for the child?
No. I say she get them for one boat.
Oh yeah.
Boat can sit maximum 6 people.
6 people.
Yes, cannot sit 7 people. Children go
Maximum 6
yes,
people.
Because inside the market they have police check them for the plate.
May police inside the market.
Yes, maximum for the
nagtitingin.
So you just only know 1 hour, 1.5 hour or 2 hours.
Is this the
Minimum 6 people. And it's at the small market only.
2,000 baht for one boat.
Only small market.
Small market.
2,000 for small market at big market center. That's if you just 3,000 for 2 hours. Small market, big market, and coconut sugar factory. What do you want?
2,000 daw yung ano.
Small market.
Small market lang. 2,500.
Pag sa big market, there's a big boat.
Big boat cannot because for
Just one side.
small thing market here, small canal. Big boat cannot direct go inside, you know, standard boat. Standard one boat can sit maximum 6 people.
Eh, hindi po pwede yan. Paano tayo? May bata tayong isa.
Maybe we can fit all of us.
Cannot because inside the market the but now have camera, you know. A lot
hatiin tayo sa dalawang bangka. Ibang kahit may ibang kasama.
He take picture, send in here. Don't pay for the he charge for me.
If we get two
You
boat,
said
no
it.
discount.
Cannot discount standard price government control for the ticket. Okay, I discount. You pay ticket standard 2,000 baht for one boat. 2 boat you pay 4,000 baht. But I give you small market and big market together.
Sinama na yung big market.
4,000.
Small lang po tayo.
Small and big.
Small market lang po.
Ticket small market and big market here 5,000. Then you pay ticket standard. I give small and big.
Baby, pupunta dalawang 4,000 pero pupunta din tayo sa big market.
Masyadong mataas para
Mabigat.
sa mabigat. Kung ang willing ako kung sasakay tayong lahat doon sa kung ayaw nila wag na lipat tayo iba. Marami kong research libre pa. Libre yung research.
Ang haba ng biyahe.
Malapit nga eh. Pumunta pa tayo dito, nagsaya pa tayo tapos dapat sinabi in advance yan. Parang sa akin, porsyento yan.
Paano?
Ito yung pareho yung itsura. Tingnan mo yung vlog ni Luba. Pareho yung itsura. Tingnan mo ngayon.
But you don't want big market, you just get standard 2,000 baht for boat. Okay, 2 boat I can.
Pero dito. Hindi. Ayan, mo siya rin yata yun. Natuloy siya ata sila sa iba.
Oo nga. Nag-uusap yung dalawa ang driver na di na.
Ayan,
Kaya parang nakakausapin ko yung driver. Sabihin ko, we watch this in the vlog. It's very expensive. Let's go to that dam one mismo. Dam one floating. This is not dam
Ikaw na makipag-usap kasi baka maaway ko yan.
Saan sila lola? Diyan.
Siya rin yata ito. Tignan mo. Siya rin yan. Di ba siya yan?
Scam daw dito.
Siya yan. Tignan mo ka.
Maikli ang buhok.
Siya rin yan. Sarili. Tapos same lugar. Yan. Oh, ayan. Hindi ka na. Hindi ako ano yan.
Wala tayo sa damo.
Ayoko na
11 minutes pa.
Kasabwat tong driver natin.
Oh, wala tayo sa damo ng floating market eh.
Totoo yan, babe. Sabi sa'yo last time.
Makikipag-usap pa yung isa. Sabahan mo nga si Tina. Baka ano yun nilang dalawa.
Tingnan mo lang din.
I can't understand, but we prefer going to the mall.
อันนี้ดำเนินสะดวก floating market in here you call for my mom coming here he can take a boat on the way go
Can we
inside
just try the ways going there, and we'll come back if it's not possible.
That one except that one.
We'll come back if not possible.
เราต้อง go back yes เราอยู่วันดำเนินสะดวกต้อง take a boat on the way go inside cannot go by car because souvenir shop and the food everything in the water in the canal แต่ถ้า but if you want walk around you ต้อง go to the Amphawa market car can parking and walk around
It's okay.
here cannot walk in the canal no street I show for the video clip
But
for
we,
you
sorry, but we
yes
have.
you see for the canal yes okay he told my mom no บอกแล้วว่าเขาดูคน
Talagang parang sila. Kung parang kumain.
ใช่แต่แม่เขาเคยมานะเดี๋ยวแต่แม่เขาก็รู้นะตอนที่อยู่นั่งสอง
How many people?
How much per boat?
Per boat, 1,000 baht.
Oh, no.
Together.
We watch it the vlog. It's already 400 only.
No, cannot. Standard price 1,000 baht 1 hour.
1,000 baht.
1,000 baht. How many person for that one boat?
One boat 6 people.
6 people.
Yes.
Can
1,000 baht 1 hour.
1,000 baht
Yes.
1 hour.
1 hour 2,000 baht. Motorboat, paddle boat 1,000 baht.
May per boat. Iba-ibang boat.
Yes, you can see small market, big market. You can eating, shopping in the boat. And motorboat, you can see small market, big market, coconut sugar farm.
6 people, 1 kid, Ken. Yes. 1 kid.
I recommend motorboat.
Motor
Yes, เพราะว่า 6 people บวก 1
How
Yes.
much?
2,000 baht.
Motorboat. Where will motorboat go?
Yes.
Where
Everything.
Yes, you
For
can
everything?
see. Yes, you can see small market, big market, coconut sugar farm. Coconut sugar farm, you can walking 10 minutes. You can eating, shopping in the boat.
Puro 2,000.
Is that no more discount for the 2,000?
No, I discount ให้อยู่ได้ 1,500 baht.
1,500 baht
Yes.
for the motorboat.
Yes.
Okay. 1,500.
Okay, you can pay now, na? 1,500.
Okay.
So they will one for that's for 1 hour. Then they will
Yes,
return
1 hour.
then they will be return us here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
เรือโยน1 ล้านจ้า
Oh, kasi kanina di ba? Ang ano lang. Kanina limit lang eh. May toilet doon. Kung gusto nyo muna umihi, naihi na ako.
Follow me, ha?
May toilet. I'll go to toilet first. A shit moment. Guys, welcome to Damuan Saduak Floating Market. Hello, sawadika. Dito kayo pumunta guys kasi pagka dinala ito yung mismong floating market ha. Pagka doon sa ano kasi ma-scam doon. Dito talaga yan. Pagpasok mo ito agad yun. Kasi yung iba dadalan ka sa dito sa mga iba-iba pang ano. This is the floating market. Ako sa unahan. One. Oh my God. 2, 2, 1, 1. Dalawang ta. Pwede ba siya dito? Ito yung totoo. Ano yung bata ka? Floating market.
Ano na po kay Dad?
Yung kid.
Baby can sit.
Can sit.
For balan boat.
Dito daw kay Dad.
Baby sit. Yeah.
Para daw
For balan boat. Safety.
Balance.
Balance.
Yes, safety.
Yeah.
Be careful your hand, nah. Not touch.
Okay.
Not touch. Not touch.
Don't touch it.
Okay, don't touch, nah. You can shopping eating in the boat so they will stop.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, take a photo. 1, 2, 3. Again, here, thank you.
Oh, so, kwento mo na.
Ano, aging na tayo ma-scam. Mabuti na lang. Thank you, Ethel Buba.
Welcome to Floating Market. Tingnan mo yun, 400. Kasulat, 400.
Ayan yung sinabi, yan, 400.
400 baht per, ano. Ayan 400 lang eh.
Nasa yun.
Ito sa atin lahat pupuntahan na natin.
Ikaw kasi pag rowing mabagal.
Ito sa atin motor. Motorboat yung amin.
Meron dito ice cream na ano eh.
Ice cream. Wow. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Ayan, bibili ka dyan. Ah! Galing ha. Ito yan yung coconut ice cream.
Alam mo how much? Ito, coconut ice cream.
How much? How much? How much? 60.
60.
Oh, nahatak niya na tayo.
Sige na. How big ba yung...
How big?
How big is ano? How big is one... Oh, sige, ano muna tayo? How big?
Ayan nga yun. Yan
60?
Lalagyan pa ng ice cream? Can I see inside?
You will put ice cream?
Yeah. Ayun, lalagyan pa. Okay.
60? How about 50? How about 50?
50.
For 1, 2, 3, 6. 50, okay? Yan. Bait ko pa nga eh. Hindi ko pa tinutuloy.
Push.
There, you taste.
Your hands.
Your hands. Just put your hands.
There, ice cream. Here.
Mango stick
Baby
yan.
na eh. Baby. Ito me.
What they want? Day 3.
Gotta have
Puka. Paglalaki ka pun kerap. Paglalaki ka pun kerap. Ito naman mango sticky rice.
Lalagay ko sa lalagay ko sa tenga.
Ano?
Tikira mo, lalagay ko sa tenga mo. Ganda.
Kakainin mo yan eh.
Kinakain ba to?
Oo. Kakain yan. Gamot yan eh.
Hindi nga, totoo.
Try. Wow.
Try mo raw. Kawawa ka daw. Kawawa.
Betนะคะ.
Bayabas. Guaba, guaba. Hindi ko gawawa. Guaba.
How much is one? How much?
Guaba.
How about that?
One packet. Same Thailand. 1 kilo. No half. 1 kilo.
How much is it? How much again?
200.
200? 100?
150 okay.
100.
Same.
100. Okay? That's how you do it.
Okay,
Thank you.
Apa ka?
Ano po ba?
Bayabas. Guaba, guaba. Ayan, fragrant coconut pancake. Ito na, big market. Big market. Hello. Ano? Wala kami naintindihan eh. Para kay J3. Ay, mga handmade na bags. Oh, elepante oh.
Hello, bao giao mày khách hai. Giao mày.
Bed. Ayaw? No? No? No. No.
Ibalik daw tayo dito para makaalis. Hindi ka ah. Ime. Ni. Oh, may ausap ay.
Ate ba? Nila may.
Oh no.
Cat be. Cat me? มึงนอนแล้วอยู่สลีปแล้ว Just say no be.
Magkano yung laki na yun?
ใส่หน้าทุกวันหรือเปล่าพี่ผมขายอะไรเนี่ย
Hindi ka naintindihan English mo na lang. Scarf.
Saขาเทเบิลโคลธมีสุดเทม everything on sale
Kapong ka. Oh. Laban. Asan bang pulis dito?
dito din kaya daan
Ewan. Ito big market. May palaka. Spicy tea. Ginger tea, oh, ginger tea. Kuha ka ba? Thai tea. Thai tea. Thai tea. Kwak, 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 kwak. Ayun, sombrero. Dior. Christian Dior. Dior, Dior, Dior. Oh my God, of course. Gucci. Dito. Thailand. Ha? Dami. Bawal yan sa ano? Bawal.
ay ganda yun na kay J3 damit kasi baka mahal
Ito yung damit. Pang Thailand. Bakit J3? Saan? So fun? Sa farm? Taga Thailand. Kapuntahan pa ba kaya natin yung mga temple? Ha? Ayan o.
Gusto nyo? Okay. Tingnan nyo kung totoo fresh ha. Maraming baka galing sa tanim.
Baka galing dito.
Kakain lang po.
Maganda yung gano'n no, sa'yo. Ano, coffee?
Hindi naman, parang di naman fresh eh. Ano to? Mga spices.
Oh, tea. Mga tea. Curry. Pepper, black. Mga paints. Mga bracelets. Oh.
Kilala ko yun ha. Parang may gawa tayo.
Yung babae kanina, yung driver natin, hindi lang niya din na hindi niya naki-epal kasi.
Hindi, baka, bakit doon niya agad tayo dinala?
Hindi, ganun siguro talaga pag di alam. Di alam ng turista.
Oh, doon niya dinadala.
Kasi siya.
Oo nga.
Eh, dito kasi direct tayo.
Oo, oo. Diba? Doon niya agad tayo dinala. Wow! It's ATV. Thailand. It's motorcycle. Made of wood. Dito pala meron din oh, mga ano. Pero walang elephant. Thailand. Ito.
Tanong magkano to? Ito.
Ganun pala siya. Baliktad yung ano mo.
There's no walang stick. Laki yata ano? Hindi. Madala. May ano rin dito.
Ano?
Tanong magkano para tayo kasi. Hindi sila fixed price magbigay dito.
Tourist ka.
Wala bang dalang damit? Oh. Elephant. Coconut product.
Coconut ni. Coconut lang. Coconut lang.
Coconut lang. Thailand. Hand crop. How much keychain? How much?
Yeah. 150. 150.
Yeah, 150.
No.
One piece, 150. How much?
600.
60.
600. 600.
600?
Yeah.
Okay. This is 600. Kuha na daw, kuha na. Oh, si ano?
Nakilala ka ba dito?
Ha? Hindi, yung ano, mga statwa ni Jerry. T-shirt.